welcome to Publitio. Publitio is a new layer for the cloud storage. It handles uploading, storing, processing and delivery of image and video types of content. And we're working to bring support for document and audio files. In short, we provide new simplicity for you to manage the cloud. If you haven't created an account already, please make sure to do it. It's free and give us a try. We have built Publitio with an idea in mind that we wanted to provide our users easy access to the cloud storage without their need to know how to set up the servers into the cloud, without their need to hire engineers, to manage it, or develop the code that is needed to support everything. And most importantly, we wanted to make sure that our users feel secure that if their service grows, they can scale it without ever thinking about it. We wanted to build a service that will be as simple and easy to use and that provides simplicity as a WordPress gave to users when they wanted to create a website. We provide our users with a dashboard where they can see all their files in desktop lookalike experience for the cloud storage. With the dashboard, users can interact with their content like never before because we made static content dynamic. Before Publitio, if you hosted files on other cloud storage, only thing you could do with it is to share a link to it by default. But with Publitio's API, you can convert, resize, adjust quality, move from one format to another, and deliver it to your users. And as I said, it's built to scale. But the real power of Publitio comes into play if you're using one of Publitio's SDKs to power your development. Don't reinvent the wheel by building your own solution. Let us handle your cloud storage. For in-depth explanation about each part of Publitio, please watch the next video.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Publitio's tutorial about the dashboard. So we wanted to explain a little bit more about how Publitio works and where is what. So if you go to the dashboard, you will see this screen. This is the main screen that gives you overview of your account. So you can see how much space you have used. You can see the bandwidth that you have used and that you have inside of your account. You have option to upgrade to the next package. Down here you can see your API details. This is the API key of your account. This is very important. You will be using this key if you have development need, or if you're using it inside of the WordPress plugin, or if you're building your custom solution. Of course, most important one is the API secret key. I have password protected it right now, so it's invisible, but you will need this one enabled to connect to the account. The API endpoints, so this is the api.public.io where you need to send all the requests, and you can generate API signature for your postman tests. If you're not familiar what all of these things are, you probably won't even need them, but if you're using a WordPress plugin, the simplest explanation, you will need API key and API secret key. Now, if you're a developer and you're developing a custom solution, these are the current SDKs that we are supporting. Now, one of the most important things, you should download the Postman collection. You have all API endpoints there, so you can test the API if everything is working to make sure that our API is fully healthy and everything is working, and your code is either good or you have some problems in it. If you are a WordPress owner and you want to install the WordPress, you can follow the link to the Publitio plugin, or just search it inside of the WordPress. And one of the important things that you will need definitely is to go through the documentation of Publitio. So we would advise, even if you're non-tech, just to run through this set of documentation to see what Publitio can do for you, how you can test things. It's always good to learn a little bit more, even if you might not need it, but just to have general feel how Publitio works with the sample files, how resizing works, cropping, and other options that exist inside of Publitio with URL-based transformation, as you can see, how watermarking works with the URLs and everything. But I will be going into the details for every specific feature through these tutorials. So if you are looking for additional SDKs and information about files, versions, folders, players, ad tags, and what are the errors that Publitio will output during the development, you can find everything here. And if you need access to SDKs, just click download SDKs. All the repositories are hosted on GitHub, so you can download them. So this is getting started about Publitio dashboard, and let's continue to the next video.